Hey, you guys, it's your girl, and I just wanted to give y'all a quick look at the beauty room and how it looks now. I turned the couch this way, as y'all know it used to be on this wall, but I just turned it this way just to have more room. Put my scarves back there. I don't know if y'all ever seen my palette holder that I got from the Goodwill. I thrifted that. Yes, I did. Just like all those scarves. I thrifted. I didn't thrift those hats though. This big one. This big one I did. I thrifted that one. But I thrifted all the scarves though. My eyelash wall. Okay, can we focus today? Put my little stand over here that I thrifted over here, and I got my notebook down there because I'm about to start some school, so I'm gonna need that. So I got that right there. Now to the couch. Y'all know that's my mirror, my little faux chandelier. This is where I always sit at, y'all. I always sit over there on my phone, my little fake little plant and stuff. I love it. I thrifted that. I thrifted the little lady sitting beside it. I thrifted that bat. But I paid for the rest. I thrifted that bird. Did I ever let y'all hear my bird? I don't know if I ever let y'all hear my bird. Yes, kind of annoying, but I love her. And in here, I put my desk in here, yeah. I think it looks beautiful. Black girl magic. Thrifted that lamp. I love it with the green and white. Oh, it looks so good. Looks so good to me. Thrifted that letter holder. Yes, I did. Thrifted my stamp thing. The lady with the magnetic head. Yes, I did. To go on my desk. I think it looks good. And I thrifted that bud vase, which is beautiful with the green and white. I think it adds a good touch. See my little... And I got one over here. Can we focus? I got a pair of scissors down there. Yeah, but this all my wigs. Wig! Come through wig. And, you know, my ring light and all my little accessories for filming. Got my camera right there. Letter holder. Diva. Got my calendar. And you already know. My laptop. And I got them speakers from Amazon. Yeah, I think they was like... I think they was less than $20. I think they was like $14. Something like that. Don't quote me on that, but it was something like that. And I did wig. I had wig on earlier. Yeah, fixing Jesus. And I never showed y'all this purse right here. I got this. Oh, hold on, y'all. This Luella purse. I got that from Poshmark, y'all. It's beautiful. Money green, baby. Money green. And it just holds all my little purses and wig, girl. And I just love how that looks with my feather up there. I can close the curtain. You never know. And y'all see my heater. I gotta have a heater, yeah. I'll be cold at home, but hot everywhere else. Got my little 9 cube stand. Hello, gorgeous. Yes, girl. How you doing? Got my little candles. I spray painted those candle holders. I thrifted those. Yes, I did. I thrifted that glass. All the glass right there I thrifted. Thrifted the tulip. Got my little mannequin, metal mannequin holder, clothes holder. I just got a scarf around it. Got my little gold mirror that I painted long ago. Thrifted this plant, tall vase with the plants in it. Thrifted all that, girl. I ain't thrifted that TV though. I wish I did. Woo, but I didn't. And here goes the vanity. I thrifted this little. I think I paid $5 for this. It's got my eyeshadows in there, powders, highlighters and stuff at the bottom. I just cleaned all this, yeah. Ooh, child, it was a time. It was a time. Yeah, it's got my little, fashion jewelry because ain't none of it real right there. Yeah, no, my little smell goods. Some of my brushes. My necklace is up in there. It's real though. Yeah, I wore that on my wedding day. And just got my little trinket dishes and stuff out. My little Buddha sitting back there. Some more palettes back there, yeah. More brushes on either side. This is more like eyeliners and stuff like that. More brushes and stuff up there. I ain't gonna show y'all me. Because I ain't looking about the right. I think it's cute. Got my little rugs up under there. You know there's those bathroom rugs, but it doesn't matter. Child, is that a rubber band on the floor? I need to vacuum this floor, but that's alright though. Don't try to come for me. Yes, I got 2 chairs in my room. Plus this one over here. Yes, I do add this one. And I know I'm making y'all dizzy with my couch. Boom, baby. I try to downsize, but I can't. I just can't seem to let it go. And that's just my view from sitting down. And then y'all know my little. I thrifted that tray. I thrifted that frame. I thrifted that okay. Yes, I thrifted that. And I thrifted this with the coasters in it. Yes, I did clean that right on up, baby. And my November berry, you already know my birthday in November, right? If you don't know, now you know. Now you know, baby. And this little trinket dish right here, I thrifted this too. It goes with this, that vase up there. Beautiful. Formalities. Came from formalities. I thrifted that purse. And then I went on Poshmark. Was it Poshmark? Yeah, went on Poshmark and got the little matching wristlet to go with it. And I went on Poshmark and got me a wristlet to go with this too. I sure did, girl. Let me see if I can find it in here. Yep, there it goes. So, because I wasn't going to get this up. I thought it was kind of cute. I like that orange. Dang, yeah. I can't even get the mug back in there. But anyways, it's going to sit just like that until I get done. And it's hot. Only thing I got to do in here is put that light right there up. And we done. I did want to get hang that on the wall, but I don't know, y'all. It will have to go right up there. And I will have to move all that. Y'all see me? At the first blackout, yeah. Ooh, girl. But anyways, that's all I wanted to show you guys was my little diva room. I'm sitting over here in my chair now. Yes, this is my view. Okay, you guys. See you later, cupcakes.